Hello and welcome back. It is me, it is I, on day 6 of VLOGMAS, Princess P, the real Princey. And today we are decorating our wreath. If you want to see how we put all these pieces together, go ahead and watch my previous video, Balls and Bows. That gives you all that you need to know about the stuff that we use for this wreath. As you can see, one of the balls came off. You need to get your balls together. Okay, have your glue gun handy so you can stick this all back together in case you need it. That's what I'm doing here. And in this video, I'm just going to be putting my wreath together with all the little pieces that we spoke about yesterday, the bows, the ball clusters that we created, some other little fun dangly things. So our wreath looks cute and it's presentable and it's hung on our door. Now, if this is the very first time that you are hearing my voice, please go ahead and stay with me. Stay with me. Like, subscribe, comment, share, give me 2 thumbs up, and stay with your girl, the real Princey. Go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. I had to add a little bling bling to my blue bow, and these little embellishments did the trick. They are from the dollar store, Dollarama, and they're really tacky. I love them. So this worked really well. What I'm doing here, this wire that I took out of my blue ribbon, it's just a little piece of thin wire. I strung that behind my bow, cut it to size, and I used that in order to tie my bow to the wreath. Now remember, I change my wreath every single year, so I don't want to put any glue or anything that's more permanent or it's going to change the look of my wreath underneath. The glue gets stuck on it, it's hard to come out, maybe I have to work around it. I never want to do that. So I do things that are not permanent. Here I am. This is one of the bows that I created yesterday. I'm just showing you guys a quick run through on how I made it, and I was bringing it down to size. That's why you see me doing it so many times. But if you want to see full details on this, go ahead and watch yesterday's video. These are my Luxe green ribbon bows. I love them. So I got some ball clusters, I got some ribbons, I cut some ribbon and I just put it in. You'll see me do more of that. This is starting to look pretty good. When I'm putting my wreath together, I don't quite know where I want everything to go. So sometimes I put things here, I take them away, I move it around just to get a look. I don't want everything too even. I don't like things that's always symmetrical. I like things that coordinate but not necessarily match, if you get what I mean. So I have 2 wreaths and I do them both different, but they coordinate so beautifully together. Wreaths are so subjective, guys. You could do whatever you want to do that makes you happy for your wreath. Your colors, your style, whatever it is, it's for you, and whatever you find beautiful, go ahead and decorate with that. This year, I didn't do too much. Well, I don't think I did too much. I kind of kept it simple, and it works for me. So this is how it looks so far. I got 3 bows, 1 in each color, and I'm just trying to fill in the extra spaces. I could have added more. I was gonna add more, and then I was like, nah, I ain't adding no more. Voila, this is wreath numero 1. I'm just gonna add this tulle that I had left over from last year, just to add it really, and I'm just folding it a few times and having the looped ends stick out. All I'm doing is just folding it 1 time, 2 times, and I just have the looped end sticked out, 3 times fold, and that's it. Just stick it in. This kind of sticks on its own, and I put it all the way to the middle, all the way to the back, so it stays in. So this is my second wreath. I'm just removing the old stuff, and I want to show you, I do have fillers on some of the wreaths because when it's too spacious or it's not full enough, I just want to fill it up with something. So I create a little space, I look for the holes, and I fill it up. This is a little piece that I'm filling in there. And there's another one that's already in there as well, where that white flower is. But you would never know. And what I do, I literally just curve it around the back. I use the spine of the wreath to attach things so they are detachable. And I'm going to go through the whole process with the second wreath, similar to what I did before. Add the balls, add them bows, a few flowers, a few fandangles, and you got yourself a wreath. Along the way, I did have a couple other balls fall off, as you see, but have your glue gun ready, hot and ready to go, glue it back on, and it's done. And these are them. The wreaths have been hung. In theme, on theme. Everything in coordination to what my theme is for this year. To what my theme was for my birthday, pastel colors, but this is Christmas edition, Christmas style. Would I have done anything differently? Maybe. Might be, but them alright, them can go on. They're good. You guys let me know in the comments below which one you think is better, the left side or the right side. If you like them, if you tried it, go ahead, talk to me, I talk back. All puns intended, I talk back, okay? Anyways, there will be more tomorrow. Don't forget to come back and visit me tomorrow for a new Vlogmas video. And don't forget to stay with me. This is so important. Don't forget to stay with me, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Give me 2 thumbs up. Do it. It is who? Princess P, Princey in a real life. Big up all my real ones. Until tomorrow. Bye.